Dr. Evelyn Hartwell, and today I want to talk to you about one of the oldest, simplest, and most effective natural remedies that has stood the test of time: drinking clove water at night. And before you think of those flavored tea bags or commercial blends you see lining supermarket shelves, let me be clear, this is not about those. I'm talking about pure clove, that small, dried flower bud that looks unassuming but carries an incredible concentration of natural compounds, capable of supporting your health in many different ways. Clove is often thought of as just a spice, something we add to food for aroma or flavor. But in reality, it is far more than that. Clove is one of the most powerful natural sources of antioxidants known, and its health benefits go well beyond the kitchen. It contains unique bioactive compounds, especially one called eugenol, which has been widely studied for its effects on digestion, inflammation, pain relief, oral health, and even metabolic balance. This is why clove has been valued not only as a culinary ingredient, but also as a medicinal plant for thousands of years. What makes clove especially fascinating is its long and rich history in traditional medicine. In ancient China, clove was used to support digestion and freshen breath. In India, it became a cornerstone of Ayurvedic medicine, used to balance the body and mind. In Europe during the Middle Ages, clove was considered so precious that it was sometimes worth more than gold, traded as a luxury item and guarded closely. Entire trade routes were built around spices like clove, not only because of their flavor, but because people understood their healing potential long before modern science could explain it. The beauty of clove is that you don't need to be a herbalist or medical expert to benefit from it. You don't need expensive supplements or complicated preparations. With just a few whole cloves and hot water, you can make a simple infusion at home. This makes clove one of the most accessible and affordable natural remedies available. Unlike many trendy wellness products that promise miracles and come with a high price tag, clove has been quietly supporting health for generations. What I want to do today is guide you through how clove water taken at night may help your body, why nighttime is an ideal moment to use it, how to prepare it correctly, and what precautions you should keep in mind so you can use it safely and responsibly. Let's start with digestion, because this is one of the most common reasons people turn to clove water. Digestive discomfort has become incredibly common. Bloating, gas, heaviness after meals, and irregular digestion affect millions of people daily. One of the key reasons clove can help is eugenol. This compound stimulates the production of digestive enzymes in your body. These enzymes are essential because they break down food into smaller components that your body can actually absorb and use. When you drink clove water, especially after dinner, you're supporting your digestive system at a moment when it's working hard to process everything you ate throughout the day. This can lead to more efficient digestion, better nutrient absorption, and a reduced feeling of heaviness or discomfort before bed. Many people notice that they feel less bloated and more comfortable when clove water becomes part of their evening routine. Beyond enzymes, clove also has natural antimicrobial properties. Your digestive system is home to trillions of bacteria, and maintaining a healthy balance is essential for gut health. Clove helps control harmful microorganisms while supporting a more balanced intestinal environment. This is especially helpful if you struggle with gas, fermentation, or frequent bloating, as clove may help reduce these issues over time. Preparing clove water for digestive support is simple. You only need about 3 whole cloves and a cup of boiling water. Let the clove steep for several minutes. Strain if you prefer, and drink it warm. Taking it at night after dinner allows your body to use its benefits while you rest and digest. This is not a quick fix or a magic cure, but it is a gentle, natural option that has helped people for generations. Another powerful benefit of clove is its effect on inflammation. Chronic inflammation is one of the silent drivers behind many modern health problems. When your body is constantly in a state of low-level inflammation, your immune system stays on high alert. Over time, this can damage tissues and organs and contribute to conditions such as arthritis, cardiovascular disease, and metabolic disorders. Eugenol plays a key role here as well. It helps reduce the production of pro-inflammatory compounds in the body. In simple terms, it acts like a natural regulator, helping calm an immune response that has gone too far. Eugenol suppresses an enzyme called cyclooxygenase, which is directly involved in inflammation and pain. Interestingly, this is the same enzyme targeted by common anti-inflammatory drugs like ibuprofen and naproxen, although CLOVE works in a more natural and gentler way. Weight management is another area where CLOVE water may offer support. It's important to approach this topic realistically. CLOVE water is not a miracle drink that melts fat overnight, and anyone who claims that is being misleading. However, CLOVE can support the processes that make healthy weight management easier. CLOVE water helps your body process food more efficiently. When digestion and metabolism work better, your body is more likely to burn calories for energy instead of storing them. Over time, regular consumption may help improve metabolic efficiency. CLOVE also has an effect on appetite regulation. Many people struggle with late-night cravings, especially for sweets. Drinking CLOVE water after dinner can help you feel more satisfied, reducing the urge to snack unnecessarily before bed. That said, real and lasting results only happen when CLOVE water is part of a broader healthy lifestyle. This includes a balanced diet rich in vegetables, fruits, whole grains, and plant-based proteins such as lentils and chickpeas, along with regular physical activity. Walking, swimming, stretching, or any movement you enjoy can make a meaningful difference when combined with supportive habits like this. One of the most impressive qualities of CLOVE is its antioxidant power. CLOVE is among the spices with the highest antioxidant content in the world. It contains vitamin C, flavonoids, and gallic acid, all of which help neutralize free radicals. Free radicals are unstable molecules produced by pollution, stress, poor diet, and exposure to ultraviolet light. Over time, they contribute to premature aging and increase the risk of chronic disease. Antioxidants act as your body's defense system against this damage. When you have enough antioxidants, your cells are better protected. Nighttime is especially important because, while you sleep, your body focuses on repair and regeneration. Drinking CLOVE water after dinner can support this process, almost like providing your cells with extra tools to clean up and restore themselves while you rest. CLOVE water also offers surprising benefits for oral health. Many people don't realize that CLOVE has long been used for dental care. Its antibacterial properties help fight harmful bacteria in the mouth, particularly Streptococcus mutans, which is a major contributor to cavities. Using CLOVE water as a mouth rinse can help freshen breath naturally, protect teeth, and soothe irritated or inflamed gums without relying on chemical-laden commercial mouthwashes. Sleep is another area where CLOVE water may help. CLOVE contains a compound called beta-caryophyllene, which has natural calming effects. This compound interacts with certain receptors in the brain, helping promote relaxation and reduce nighttime anxiety. Unlike many sleep aids, CLOVE water does not typically cause grogginess or a heavy feeling the next morning, making it a gentle option for those who struggle to unwind at night. CLOVE also supports bone health by helping regulate the balance between bone-building cells and bone-breaking cells. This balance is essential for maintaining bone density and strength. While CLOVE water is not a cure for osteoporosis, it can be a supportive addition when combined with proper nutrition and strength-based exercise. Respiratory health may also benefit from CLOVE. Its flavonoids help protect the respiratory tract, and eugenol can help calm coughs and support easier breathing by gently opening the airways. This can be especially comforting during seasonal changes or periods of mild respiratory irritation. When it comes to heart health, CLOVE's antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds help protect blood vessels and support healthy circulation. CLOVE water may help blood vessels relax slightly, improving blood flow and reducing strain on the cardiovascular system. Since chronic inflammation is a major factor in atherosclerosis, CLOVE's anti-inflammatory effects may play a protective role over time. The liver, your body's primary detoxification organ, also benefits from CLOVE water. The liver works non-stop, but nighttime is when much of its repair and regeneration takes place. Drinking clove water after dinner may help support liver cells, reduce oxidative stress, and assist in the natural detoxification process. Skin health is another area where clove shines. Its antioxidants help protect the skin from premature aging, while vitamin C supports collagen production, keeping skin firm and resilient. Manganese, another nutrient found in clove, contributes to overall skin health. Thanks to its antimicrobial properties, clove may also help with certain skin concerns like acne when consumed as an infusion. If clove essential oil is ever used on the skin, it must always be diluted with a carrier oil such as olive or coconut oil. Undiluted clove oil is extremely concentrated and can irritate the skin or even cause burns. Finally, it's important to talk about precautions. Cloves should be stored properly in an airtight container, away from light, heat, and moisture. Buying small amounts and replacing them regularly helps preserve their potency, especially if you use ground clove, which loses strength more quickly. A mild numbing or tingling sensation in the mouth after consuming clove is normal and comes from eugenol's natural anesthetic effect. This is not an allergy. A true allergic reaction would involve symptoms like swelling, rashes, vomiting, or difficulty breathing, and in that case, clove should be avoided and medical help sought. Clove can interact with blood-thinning medications and should be avoided before surgery or dental procedures. If you're new to clove water, start with small amounts and pay attention to how your body responds. And if you have any existing medical conditions or take medications, it's always wise to consult a healthcare professional before using clove regularly for medicinal purposes. In addition to clove water, there are other nighttime herbal infusions that can support relaxation and better sleep, such as chamomile, valerian root, passion flower, lemon balm, lavender, and fennel. These plants can be used individually or rotated throughout the week to support rest, digestion, and overall balance. Exploring these options can help you create a calming nighttime ritual that supports both your body and mind. Take care of yourself, listen to your body, and remember that small, consistent habits often create the most meaningful changes over time.